Can you use baking soda to remove the cyclospora parasite that's been causing the recent explosive diarrhea outbreak? And does it even help with normal fruits and veggie washing? These days, internet gurus treat baking soda like some sort of magic fairy dust. So let's look at how it actually works to understand where and what it does and does not help with. I'm Avisha, a scientist who helps you apply science to live a healthier life. Don't trust me, trust my sources. Review. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild base that when added to water can raise the pH to 8.3. This could help fats and grease break down and be more easily removed by water. And if you use it as a paste, its crystalline structure helps it act as a gentle abrasive that helps to physically scrub off surface grime without scratching the surface of steel or enamel. And for some specific pesticides, the alkaline solution could help actually break the chemical down. In one study, researchers put 2 different pesticides on apples and found that a 1% baking soda solution, about 2 teaspoons per liter, removed the surface pesticide residue better than water or bleach. But it took 12 to 15 minutes, they only tested 2 pesticides on apples, and it couldn't remove any pesticide that had already penetrated the peel. But what about parasites? When cyclospora contaminates food, it's at a point in its life cycle called an oocyst, which is like a tiny sticky egg barely larger than a human blood cell. It gets wedged into the nooks and crannies of produce, especially bumpy ones like raspberries, while its tough shell protects the 4 parasites that are contained inside. This is what we eat, and it grows in our gut. In 2008, this study showed that cyclospora was not reduced by chlorine gas. Those eggs are tough. And back in 1975, researchers used 1% baking soda to try and clean fecal matter off of oocysts from a similar type of parasite so that they could study them. And they showed that the baking soda did not harm the oocysts any more than water did. Good for them, bad for us. So what should you do? Physical agitation. Use a scrub brush for firm produce. Throw away the outer leaves of cabbage and lettuce heads before washing, and avoid bagged lettuce. Wash firm veggies before peeling, and soak herbs and berries and physically swirl them around for a minute before then rinsing them off under clean water. And if you do get sick, there are antibiotics that really work. We'll cover why they work on parasites next time, so hit that follow.